Today we will draw kuromi. Let's start with a circle. Make 2 dots like this. Then from the lower dot, draw a line. Make it more oval, to show squishy cheeks. Then make another dot, a little above the line we drew earlier. Now carefully join these 2 dots. Draw a bow. Then draw another oval, connecting the ends of the bow. I need to practice drawing more shapes. I had to redraw this. Add some random curves outwards. Don't worry, this doesn't have to be perfect. These curves will give the hood a fluffy look. Repeat the same thing, but, this time, the curves are directed inwards. Erase the guidelines. Draw the ears. Now the same on left side. I think I drew the right one bigger. I have to redraw this. Now it looks a bit better. Continue to add details. Then draw kuromi's iconic ears. Just follow the movements. If you can't make straight lines, use a scale. Draw the second ear like the previous one. Don't worry if you can't make it good on first try. Drawing is all about practice. I keep making mistakes. Draw 2 ovals for eyes. And then make them a bit angry. Add a smirk. Skull time. Draw a midline and draw the nose and mouth at the center. Draw another line at the middle of the midline. This time we have to draw eyes. Just follow me. Add the lashes. Draw 2 circles for hands. Add a cute little bow. Add those small details. Now shade the eyes. Now darken the lines, cause we're almost done. Don't mind my editing skills. A few finishing touches. Comment your favorite cartoon character. Tiny. Anyone can draw. Drawing is not only about talent, it's about practice. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Instead, learn from them. It will make your drawing skills better. Our kuromi is ready. Thanks for watching.